Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier, three very accomplished internet marketers in their own right. Now, this is a massive opportunity for you folks. So if you're interested, make sure you click that first link in the description below. Now let's get back to my review. You can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I'll give you 5 exceptional bonuses. Bonus number 1 explains how you can drive traffic after you purchase a PLR just like this one. And it shows you how you can modify and make that PLR your own using tried and true strategies and techniques. Bonus number 2 shows you how to supercharge your online business with a ton of free traffic. And bonus number 3 is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get an order for a high-value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver that to your buyer for a much higher price. Hence, you become the middleman. And bonus number 4, you'll learn how to create a passive income. And this is crucial. It's a recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the 5th bonus will show you how to earn up to $186 today in 3 simple steps, and only spending about 15 minutes a day doing so. You receive a done-for-you high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, the vendor of Profit Surge Blueprint are profit experts, and they have a huge following and always produce content solutions for busy internet marketers. They have over 26,000 sales to their credit, and I would suspect that this product should also sell like hotcakes because it's a huge product. In a nutshell, Profit Surge Blueprint provides 240 done-for-you, short value-oriented, rebrandable videos with a complete ready-to-go training center. And they said it will sell like a ninja, and I said it'll sell like hotcakes. Now, this product is quite impactful in terms of its content, and it provides real quality value. The videos are short and straight to the point for busy people, and they will bring life by leveraging both the audio and a visual. You can begin to separate yourself from the crowd in order to gain a competitive advantage, and it provides a non-pushy selling strategy so that you can get more sales. And over and above that, it's all done for you, and with private label rights. And what do you get with this product? We have a whole ton of stuff. You get 240 done-for-you short videos, 240 editable presentation slides, 240 sets of pro voiceovers, 240 turnkey video pre-sale pages, 12 lead capture systems, and 12 training academies. And those academies include Make Money Online, Facebook marketing, blogging, publishing, private label rights, Pinterest marketing, brand marketing, membership marketing, SEO marketing, LinkedIn marketing, outsourcing, and video marketing. A whole ton of stuff, as you can see. The sales funnel Includes a front end, which is $17.25 to $24.99, and it'll increase as sales increase. There are 4 upsells. The first upsell is $49. The second upsell is $17. The third upsell is $97. And the fourth upsell goes from $97 to $297. And it really depends on what it is that you're purchasing there. Now, watch for the downsells because there are downsells. And what you need to do is ensure, or what you will receive are less products or a different product. Now, if you need to know more, click on that second link below and get the full story. And before I go, make sure you check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. And I highly recommend that you do that. And my 5 bonuses, because they show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. They show you how to gain reoccurring income online and easily, and that's a passive reoccurring income. And they show you how to earn daily income in 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And it'll show you how to drive traffic after you purchase a PLR product. Now, thank you for listening, folks, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.